What's shaking, team? You already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG, coming back with another one on that ass. You know what I mean? First video for that new year. So what we're doing right now, team, y'all already see what's up. We about to Seafoam. I'm getting everything in order as of right now for this HR swap. So my main joint as of right now is just to have the engine as crispy and clean as possible, making sure I keep up with the oil changes, making sure there's always enough coolant in there, just making sure everything is good. So when I get ready to pull this bitch and do the HR swap, anything I need off of this engine is going to be good to go. It's going to be a good look. So I've made a video like this before, but let me just make an updated version and everything in one video. So real quick, what we're gonna do is, boom. First two things you're gonna do when you're about to seafoam your car. One, you gotta drive your car prior to getting ready to seafoam it. So I've taken my car for a spin. Boom, check the highway. I've taken my car for a spin already. The car is warmed up. Everything is at operating temperature, so we're good to go. My next plan of movement now is we're going to put Seafoam in oil. We're going to come back and we're going to put Seafoam in the fuel tank, and then we're going to add the last little bit of Seafoam into the vacuum line. As you see, I got my little hose and funnel contraption, so that'll be an easy dispense. That, and I got my little cheat joint so I can get specifically 3 equal amounts of the Seafoam in each place equally. Now, I just wanted to change locations. I should tell y'all, you really should be in a dead-end block or somewhere where it's really ventilated and it's not a lot of people. This smoke show, depending on how bad your engine needs it, can get a little out of hand, you know what I mean? So I was next to the highway. I just wanted to change my location. Please do not mind under the hood. It is filthy up under this motherfucker. I will definitely get to that part of my Swahili. So now, team, what we're gonna do is we're gonna really start to administer, right? So got my water bottle like I told y'all, so I can get an exact 3 1/3 out of this to dispense it evenly throughout where I need to. So the first place we're gonna put it is in the engine oil. Let's pop it open. Let's pour it in the bottle so we can get it where we want it and take it from there. And it fills up perfect. There we go. That's one. Now your first one, this is going right into your engine oil. So right in here. And I like to do a Seafoam on my car right before I do the oil change. So I'll put 50 to 100 miles on my car before I'm ready to do the oil change after I Seafoam it. All right, we got the Seafoam in there. Let's come back. Booyah. Okay, so we got that there. Now let's go and administer the next 1/3 in the fuel tank. All right, let's grab the Seafoam. Again, let's get that second 1/3. Let's get that second one going so we could get this in the fuel tank. Booyah, that's perfect right there. Look at that, right to the line at the bottom. That's exactly what we need. Let's go open the gas tank and get it popping. There we go. So, administering. So we already administered it to the fuel tank. Don't forget. Let's put it back in. Make sure. Close your gas cap. Just close the fuel lid. Let's bring it around. All right. So now, let's administer this last 1/3. Just so y'all know. And boom, that's the whole 1/3 right there, baby. Last 1/3 to get ready. That's gonna go into your vacuum line. So now to dispense this last 1/3 of the Seafoam, we're gonna need to start the car so we can get that suction in from the vacuum. All right, team, so now, like I said, when you have your vacuum line, you can tell it's your vacuum line because it feels like it wants to suck your finger. You can feel the suction, right? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hose over it, right? Put this here. And then now, let me see if I can't get this to steady this. All right, team, I'm just rigging it for you like this for demonstration purposes so you can see me pour. So now your last 1/3 with the car on, engine running. Engine running. We are definitely going to see what's going on now so we can get our pour on. And you're gonna hear it sucking in, and the car might shake and start to sput. Don't trip. But at the same time, make sure you're dispensing the seafoam slowly, and you'll be good to go. But we're just going to dispense this all. See? It may even sound like your car wants to sputter to the point it sounds like it's going to shut off. That's perfectly normal. But definitely want to dispense it slow. You don't just want to douse this whole thing in there. Now we're good. Let's take the rig off. That out. This off. Let's not forget to put our vacuum line, a vacuum hose, back on. Now we should be good. Let's actually shut the car down now for 10 to 15 minutes and let the seafoam do its thing so we could get that smoke show, baby. Time for the smoke show. Let's get it. Let's see what we got. Got the majority of the smoke out, team. Let's go for this spirited drive right now so we can get the rest of that out. Y'all already know.